Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a bubble gum machine. First, find the coin slot, which is usually a small opening on the front or side. Next, insert the correct coin, typically a quarter or a 50-cent piece, into the slot. Make sure the coin goes all the way in to activate the internal mechanism. This simple step prepares the machine for your delicious treat. Once your coin is inserted, firmly grasp the dispensing knob. This knob is usually a round handle located below the coin slot. Turn it clockwise a full 360 degrees until it stops. You should hear a satisfying click as the internal gears engage and release a gumball. This action is what makes the magic happen. After turning the knob, look for the small chute or tray at the bottom of the machine. This is where your gumball will appear. Wait a moment for the gumball to drop down into the collection area. Once it's there, carefully reach in and retrieve your sweet treat. Enjoy the anticipation of unwrapping your colorful gumball, a small reward for your effort. Now that you have your gumball, it's time to enjoy it. If it has a wrapper, carefully remove it. Then, simply place the gumball in your mouth and begin to chew. Savor the initial burst of flavor and the satisfying chewiness. You've successfully used the bubble gum machine to get a delightful treat, a simple pleasure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.